At the Tobago Campus, we offer 4 courses at the diploma level. That's air conditioning, refrigeration, electrical, welding, and automotive services. Our diploma courses are gate funded. We also have a range of short courses located at the campus here: heavy equipment operations, air conditioning, welding, song recording, and music production. Those short courses are from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, opposed to our diploma program, which is a full-time program. We carry a wide range of other courses from industry.
It is a wonderful experience to come to NESC. NESC is about opportunities, right? And if you're looking for opportunities, trust me, here's the first place to start. Because I've been here twice already, and I'm presently still in a program, diploma program that is, right? I was in the Craftsman program, and Craftsman program had opened my eyes to a lot of new stuff. And being here have a lot of challenges, but the challenges help me to grow, to be a better person. And trust me, you can only come and see for yourself. But having a skill is like, you know, teaching a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime.
Tobagonians not only have to be focused on employment within Trinidad and Tobago, but as you choose to partner with the NESC in building your career, you are now available to access the opportunities to work anywhere in the world where AWS, the American Welding Society, and RDC, Red Deer College, are recognized internationally.
I'm the senior instructor for the song recording and music production program. We are now offering this program at the Tobago Campus here in Goldsboro. And our program is divided into 2 areas. One, it's live song reinforcement, and the other, studio production. We are offering this course here to the Tobagonians, and it offers you the opportunity to become successful producers, successful engineers. We have had a number of persons who have done this course from Trinidad. A number of them are producers, entertainers, right, and local artists. So we are offering you this opportunity. You don't need to have any musical background. Just come and apply, and we'll take you from the ground up. So if you have an interest in music production, in the entertainment industry, this is the place to be. The NESC Tobago Campus for song recording and music production. We can take your dream and make it into reality.
My name is Alejandro Lewis, and I'm a student of the Automotive Service Diploma Program at the Tobago Campus, Tobago. And well, I first heard of the program from a school recruitment drive at my old high school, and well, I always had an interest in automotive, in rebuilding cars and like anything to do with automotive basically. And I saw it as a good opportunity to start somewhere to become an auto electrical technician in the future.
I'm the automotive instructor at NESC Tobago. Here we do practically bumper to bumper on a car. Everything from the front to the rear of the car. Underneath we do suspension, steering, drivetrain, differentials, wheels, hubs, tires, frames, you name it. Electrical, AC, everything on a car. Right? So we cover the whole vehicle in its entirety. Well, presently it have a need for qualified technicians, qualified and trained technicians. They have places that inquire about them, people will say that they need them. So I would encourage anybody to come to NESC and do this course.